Hello and welcome back to yet another video on how to get money. Today I'm going to show you a totally new and never before seen approach that has allowed me to make more than $1,000 in a single day. Your earnings can, however, change depending on your circumstances and are not guaranteed. If you are successful in putting into action the plan I am about to discuss with you today, the outcome will entirely depend on you, and it is impossible to accomplish the results shown in this example unless you watch the full video. For the duration of this video, I'm going to expose to you one of the hottest offers that is currently circulating on the internet at the moment. As an added bonus, I will demonstrate how to generate a steady revenue from this offer. And I'll teach you how to create $1,000 every day on autopilot by following my instructions. Just continue watching the video and pay attention. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. First, let's check out Google Trends to see what's going on. To find it, just type it into your browser search bar and click on the first result that appears. In order to determine the most popular search queries in Google Search, Google has created a webpage called Google Trends. The website uses graphs to compare the volume of different searches over time across various regions and languages. To be clear, this is not the way we'll earn a profit. This is the technique that we'll utilize to find potential income flows. Next, we'll enter a keyword for a frequently searched topic on Google, which is debt relief. Now, what exactly is debt relief and why is it a hot topic right now? To be more specific, debt relief refers to efforts made to lower or reduce debt in order to make it easier for borrowers to meet their financial commitments on time. As we all know, due to government orders, several businesses have been forced to shut down as a result of this pandemic, which resulted in receiving lower wages or even unemployment. And it is a challenge to make timely payments on bills, knowing the fact that it has had a negative impact on our economic situation. You will now be taken to a page with a graph after typing in debt relief. Now, I want you to change the time range by clicking this button and selecting past 5 years. It's easy to tell by looking at the graph that time is making the lines rise. Therefore, as time goes on, an increasing number of people are turning to the internet in search of debt relief support. The second website that we'll visit is OfferVault.com. What is OfferVault then? OfferVault is an affiliate marketing network. It is a reference tool that will assist you in identifying potential promotional opportunities. Businesses will compensate you for bringing them additional consumers, leads, sales, or whatever else they are searching for this particular offer, and you will be compensated for your efforts. And in this video, I'll demonstrate you through the steps one at a time. To proceed, I need you to type debt relief into the search bar on OfferVault's webpage. Now, as you continue to browse through the results, you will see that there are companies out there that are willing to spend from $6.50 to $100 as compensation for helping them out. If you choose the company with the highest payment rate, you will receive $100 for every time someone clicks on your link and contacts a company you recommended, which I recommend you to select an offer that you find interesting while also selecting the result that provides the highest payment out of all the available options, such as this one right here. As an example, I picked IRS Tax Debt Relief Inbound Only US by the network called Aragon Advertising. This offer only transfers within the United States, and you can receive a $100 reward as compensation. This program is designed to assist individuals who owe $10,000 or more in back taxes. They can really benefit from this deal. Now that you've clicked on it, you'll be sent to a new page that explains the offer in more depth. The details of the offer as well as the qualifying descriptions will be available for you to review on this page. After fully understanding the offer, click on the Run Offer button that appears below the information area to proceed. And by clicking on it, you will be directed to the website of Aragon Advertising, since this is the network that made the offer. This is where you complete the application process. The first step is to complete the online form provided to you. Complete it with your contact information, which should include your name, email address, home address, and company name. If you do not have a company name, you may enter your full name. After that, you'll be prompted to select an app via which they can contact you. The drop-down arrow lets you select between Skype and Telegram as your messaging service. Next, simply input your instant messenger screen name and then pick from the drop-down box the time period which you have been participating in affiliate marketing. Lastly, please answer the remaining questions about affiliate marketing. And next, check the little box to indicate that you have read and agreed to the company's terms and conditions. And then click Join to be able to receive your link. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Before getting into the details of where you'll be sharing the link, I'd like to introduce to you someone who believes in debt-free living. He goes by the name of Dave Ramsey. He is a personal finance guru, radio show host, author, and entrepreneur based in the United States. And he believes in debt relief since he too was previously burdened by the huge debt. And before, he actually filed for bankruptcy when his bills became unmanageable. And today, he has a growing audience of readers from all around the world who value his writing as well as his devotion to living debt-free in the present day and age. These are the types of people you want to basically get in touch with because they are the ones who are more likely to click on your link and call you, resulting in you getting paid for your services. The next step will be visiting a website that will assist you in locating people who are interested in clicking on your link. To begin, log on to Facebook and look up Dave Ramsey. You may be wondering why Dave Ramsey rather than debt-free is being searched. It is impossible that searching for debt-free is too wide, but search for Dave Ramsey, who has 4.4 million fans on his Facebook page, will show up several Facebook groups that support him. Debt reduction, debt elimination, and all of the other good things that go along with it are all dearly held beliefs among those in these Facebook communities. As you can see, there is a wide range of Dave Ramsey groups, each with thousands of members. Although these groups are not owned by Dave Ramsey himself, there are still lots of people who joined that like Dave Ramsey and his debt-free strategies. Now, I want you to join each and every one of those groups that you see. After you've been accepted into the groups, you will be able to post your special link. Although it is allowed for you to post your own link, I do not recommend for you to do this because doing so will almost certainly result in you being kicked out for spamming the group with your link, which is something that I do not want to happen to you. So what you need to do now is write a blog post and say something like, those who owe $10,000 or more that need to be paid off, and those who are committed to wiping the slate clean and enjoy the freedom that come with having no financial commitments should read this post. You can get in touch with me via my website if you are interested. As a result, a large number of people will feel comfortable leaving comments on your post if they are interested. Your content will also come to the top of the search results if there are a lot of interactions with your post. One good thing is that you also did not include any links in your post, therefore, it will not be considered spam by the moderators. Consider the following scenario: you publish 10 times each day and have reached 150 individuals with your posting. You will almost certainly make a substantial amount of money. As far as I know, this is a system that has been proven to be successful. You can get started in affiliate marketing with this strategy. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.